Welcome to the best picks. The best Invicta battery replacement is probably one of the most straightforward watch maintenance tasks you can perform yourself, saving you money and extending the life of your favorite timepiece. This video will guide you through each step, from selecting the correct battery to safely opening your Invicta watch and ensuring a watertight seal upon reassembly, with extra tips and tricks for a smooth and successful battery replacement. Number 5. Duracell 370-371. It's designed for use in watches, medical devices, calculators, and other electronics. This little battery packs a punch. It provides reliable performance for digital thermometers, laser pointers, and more. Enjoy long-lasting power you can depend on. They are guaranteed for 3 years in storage, so you can be confident it will be ready when you need it. Peace of mind included. It's compatible with various battery types, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. It's versatile and reliable. Duracell is the #1 trusted battery brand, providing reliable power when you need it most. You can trust it for all your power needs. What we like. This battery boasts an impressive lifespan and consistent performance. If you value dependability and are a loyal fan of a top-rated brand, this is the perfect choice for your timepiece. It's ideal for those who want peace of mind knowing their watch will keep accurate time for an extended period. What people say. Was the battery I needed, and the brand name battery lasts a long time. My last one was over 8 years before I had to change it. This battery fit perfectly in my old Seiko watch. You get what you pay for with these Duracell coin batteries. This 370-371 one in particular is made in Switzerland and definitely uses higher quality materials than your bulk watch batteries from China. Number 4. LiCB SR927SW batteries. These batteries are from LiCB, a company specializing in batteries for 18 years. They've been rigorously tested to ensure safety and reliability. It's made with grade A cells and has passed strict quality control. They are CE and RoHS certified for your peace of mind. Enjoy long-lasting power with a full 1.55-volt charge and a 3-year shelf life. It's a cost-effective solution for your needs. They are compatible with many devices. Check if your device uses LR927, 399, AG7, or other equivalent batteries listed in the description. Your purchase includes 20 batteries in a blister pack, backed by an 18-month warranty and friendly customer service. You're covered. What we like. Get a bulk pack of batteries for incredible value. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers long-lasting power, this is it. It's perfect for those who need multiple batteries for various devices or want to stock up and save money. What people say. Fit my watch perfectly and works great. These batteries are quality, and I will purchase from this seller and use this manufacturer of batteries in the future. I have ordered this same brand from my G-Shock before and I love their product. This works great with my Fossil too. Number 3. LiCB SR920SW batteries. These batteries are safe and reliable, coming from a trusted brand with over 18 years of experience in battery production. They're rigorously tested to ensure quality and long-lasting performance. It boasts a grade A cell, meaning you get longer battery life and consistent power. Plus, they're CE and RoHS certified, meeting high safety standards. Get 20 pieces of fresh batteries, each with a full 1.5-volt charge and a 3-year shelf life. That's a cost-effective solution for your battery needs. They are compatible with a wide range of devices. Check if your device uses any of the many equivalent battery types listed. It's likely a perfect fit. Your order includes 20 brand new SR920SW batteries, neatly packaged in a blister pack. Ready to power your devices for years to come. What we like. This is another great bulk option offering significant savings. If you need a large quantity of batteries for multiple watches or other devices and prioritize cost-effectiveness, this is a smart choice. It's perfect for those who want to avoid frequent battery replacements. What people say. Battery description matched product. Used to replace my Fossil watch batteries and worked perfectly. The battery was a perfect fit for my watch. Super fast shipping. Number 2. Energizer 377 batteries. These batteries are designed for long-lasting power and reliability. They're perfect for devices that demand consistent performance. It boasts a high energy density thanks to Energizer's advanced material mixing technology. This means you get more power in a smaller package. The use of antioxidants and high-performance separators significantly improves its shelf life. You can confidently store them for extended periods. Experience consistent voltage output throughout its lifespan. It maintains reliable power until the very end. A unique sealing structure and special material treatment provide excellent protection against leaks. This ensures safety and prevents damage to your devices. It maintains over 90% of its capacity even after 5 years of storage. That's a testament to its long-lasting performance. What we like. This battery provides superior power and consistent voltage output. If you need a battery with exceptional performance and reliability, this one stands out. It's ideal for high-drain devices or situations where consistent power is crucial. What people say. They are working perfectly. So far these are holding up the best. I'm 6 months in and all the Energizer batteries are still going. Powers up my quartz watch. Number 1. Renata 370 watch battery. These batteries are perfect for your watch. They're Swiss-made for quality and reliability. You can trust in their precision engineering. Experience long-lasting power. This pack contains 2 batteries, either Model 370 or SR920SW. Both offer the same great performance. They provide the perfect voltage for your watch's mechanism. Enjoy consistent timekeeping. Keep your watch running smoothly. These batteries are designed for extended use. Replacing your watch battery is simple and straightforward. Get back to telling time quickly. What we like. Experience the precision and quality of Swiss-made craftsmanship. If you appreciate superior quality and are willing to pay a premium for a reliable and long-lasting battery, this option is for you. It's perfect for those who value precision and want the best for their watch. What people say. Works as intended. Got these after battery ran out about 2 years. Popped the battery in and watch started working. Batteries received as described. Expiration date well over 2 years out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.